Welcome to my channel. When we point out at a person or a thing, we speak specifically about it. For this, we use demonstrative adjectives. Articles are also demonstrative adjectives. In this video, I'll be talking about articles, their types and uses. I've uploaded videos on sentences, its parts and types, and also phrases. You may check them out using the links given in the description box. What's an article? An article is a word which is used to modify a noun. A, an, and the are called articles. A and an are indefinite articles. The is a definite article. Articles a and an are used before countable nouns of singular form. For example, a book, a pen, a tree, a bird, an apple, an ant, an island. We don't use articles for uncountable nouns. Therefore, we cannot say a milk, a tea, a sugar, a water, etc. as these are uncountable nouns. Another interesting point to note here is that we use a before a countable noun which is singular beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a mountain, a lake, a song, a university, a European, a 1 rupee coin. Please remember that consonant sound is important. We use an before a countable noun which is singular beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an egg, an orange, an apple. For words beginning with H, if H is silent, we use an before the word. Let's take few examples. An honest boy, an honorable person, in an hour, an a. When abbreviations are used, if consonants begin with vowel sound, we use an before them. Let's take few examples. An MA, an MLA, an MP, an MD, an MBBS. For abbreviations, if consonants don't begin with vowel sound, we simply use a before them. A PhD, a BA. Let's now learn how a is used in phrases. Let's take few examples. A loud voice, in a hurry, a bad cold, a shame, a pity, a noise, a unique style, a universal approach, a usual excuse, a useful information. Now let's learn how an is used in phrases. An awful day, an ordinary life, an epitome of beauty, an intelligent approach, an overcrowded market, an autocratic leader, an authoritarian government, an evergreen tree, an illegal activity, an empty wallet. Please note that vowel sound is important and not the word starting with a vowel alphabet. That's all in this video. Soon I'll be uploading a video on the uses of another article which is a definite article. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification on new videos. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and also remember to give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.